VOI. Are we actually spending a lot of money on our VOI? That is visibility on investment. VOI stands for visibility on investment. Are we actually spending our time as well as our money for creating more visibility for us? See, what I have realized is, I have also shared it with you earlier. I increased my visibility, I got more results, I got my opportunity. Let me share with you something, right? I don't know who else shares all their in-depth things, but I'll share something with you right away. Okay, give me a second. Because what I have realized, you increase your visibility, you get to more people, you ensure that more people are knowing you, more results will automatically come your way. So what you can do is generate more revenue. And whenever you are generating more revenue, even if you are not generating a lot of revenue for yourself right now, please ensure that you are getting in front of people on a regular basis. Now, let me show this to you right away. Right, let me just share my screen with you. Here you go. Can you see my screen now, everybody? Can you see my screen now? Yes. So this was the 3 days workshop that we did for 3 days. Now see how many people registered for this workshop. Here is the number in front of you. How many people registered? Just give me the number. You have it in front of you. 8180. 8,180 people registered for this 3 days workshop. And we were able to do it because of our personal brand without even investing a single penny on marketing. Is that mind blowing? For this particular workshop, I do invest a lot of money, but for this particular workshop, we got more than 8,180 people who registered for this particular workshop. Now just imagine, people, just imagine. If you are getting 8,180 people to register for your workshop and then they become a part of your workshop, even if you have a conversion ratio of 2.5%, is this possible for me to have a conversion ratio of 2.5%? Even then, the revenue that you are generating, more than that, I agree. But I'm saying that even if the conversion ratio is just 2.5%, the revenue generation would be more than rupees 30 lakhs over a period of 3 days. That's the power of creating a personal brand. That's the power of creating a personal brand. And even then, there would be about 7,900 people who have not yet enrolled to the program, who are going to do it in the future after seeing the success of so many people. Now, what do you understand by this? Number one, creating a personal brand is important so that you can get leads at will. Number two, the more leads you generate, the more revenue would automatically come. Number three, you would be able to choose whom to sell and whom not to sell because you are generating so many leads for yourself. That's extremely powerful. Do you agree with this now? Yes. And honestly, our conversion ratio is much more than that. Is much more than that. That's exactly what you need to focus upon. Visibility on investment is what matters so much. You need to get more visibility, people. If that requires you to invest some money, do it. If that requires you to do more collaborations, do it. If that requires you to run more ads, do it. But just at the same time, just like I told you, you need to ensure that you are getting in front of people, and you also have a monetization plan. जब तक monetization plan नहीं होगा तब तक visibility करने का कोई फायदा नहीं. So also have a visibility plan and also have a monetization plan for you. That's the most important thing. Is that clear with everybody? Yes. Task. Why does VOI matter? Why does VOI matter? Why does VOI matter?